When we place any Amazon Echo device into setup mode, we are not factory resetting that device. Instead, as the name suggests, setup mode will only place our Amazon Echo device into a mode that will allow us to reconfigure that device to be used with a different wireless access point. In order to place an Amazon Echo Flex in setup mode, we first need to press the mute button on the front of the Echo Flex. Then, by pressing and holding down the action button for around 10 seconds, we should hear the following message.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
With our Amazon Echo Flex now in setup mode, we can use the Alexa app to reconfigure our Echo Flex. If from the home page of the Alexa app we select Devices, when the Devices page loads, it will automatically display a message informing us that our Echo Flex can be set up. By selecting Continue, we will be taken through the setup process that will allow us to reconfigure our Echo Flex. This will include changing the Wi-Fi network that our Echo Flex is currently using. If we decide not to reconfigure our Echo Flex, by simply switching the device off, waiting a few seconds, and then powering the device back on, we will take the Echo Flex out of setup mode and revert it back to a state that it was in before we initiated setup mode. As mute is still enabled, let's turn off mute and test that our Echo Flex is still working. Alexa, please tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the robot that went skinny dipping? It was quite shocking.